Hey everybody, Zachary Warren here at Phillips RV in Bradley. We are on video number 2 of our 257 RB Gulfstream Ameri-lite. We're inside the coach now, inside our spacious bathroom. This is a very, very large bathroom. Please excuse our mess. We are winterizing units for the upcoming season. We have that beautiful tile in the shower, this large radial shower here with the big basin, that gorgeous skylight that lets in all that natural light. Then we have plenty of storage here for any kind of soaps or any kind of towels we want to put in here. Just a lot of storage, 3 big shelves in there, very tall, very deep. We have our toilet right behind us here. We have more storage right in here. So it's another big closet for even more storage. Let's say extra clothes, blankets, bedding, whatever you like to put in here. Then we have our storage underneath our sink, and we have our medicine cabinet. Again, a lot of storage in this bathroom. Now, as we step forward out of the bathroom, guess what we come to again? More storage. We have this large pantry slash clothes right here, so you can hang clothes from here. Put shoes, whatever, or if you don't need it for clothes, you got plenty of room here for dry goods. You could stack up bottles of water, cases of pop, cases of beer, whatever you want right here. And again, just lots and lots of storage. Now, we do have our dinette right here that will go into a bed. Love the coloring on this, so you do have a sleeping area here. We have our nice big fridge here with that lock. Now, this is a 12-volt compressor fridge, so this will run off of the battery or electric. You don't have to worry about eating up your propane on this one. Lots of room in here. Great look to the fridge. Very, very modern look. And then we do have our 3-burner cooktop that does have the glass cover that acts as counter space or a backsplash. Speaking of backsplashes, have this gorgeous backsplash right here. Love the look of that. Very nice. Then we have our microwave up here and our stove. Our stove actually does have blue LED lights in it when they're turned on. Then you have this nice marbling on the cabinet. Gives it a nice fancy look with a double-sided plastic sink. Then, of course, right here we do have our futon. It's a couch, jackknifes into a bed if we need more sleeping area. Then you can also see we have a total of 4 USB ports right here along the walls. Great for charging phones or pet tablets. Maybe you have a grandchild or child sleeping out here. They can charge their phone or their tablet while they're watching TV. We are on ducted air on this one. We moved it up into the ducted instead of the direct dump. And then again, we have more storage all around here in the kitchen. Seems like this unit is all about storage. We do have our place for our TV. Then we do have our AM, FM, CD, DVD soundbar right here. Love these Furrion soundbars. Nice look. Fit a big TV right back through here. And then coming right through here into the bedroom, we're going to have our queen size bed. 2 USB ports and 2 110 outlets on this side, 2 USB ports and 2 110 outlets on that side. Then we're also going to have a large storage shelf up here, 2 wardrobes and 2 nightstands right here. And then we can mount another TV right up here for the bedroom. You can see where the wires will come through if you want to watch the DVD player in here. And again, if you'd like to come see this unit, schedule a walkthrough, or have questions, please give me a call. Zach Warren, Phillips RV, Bradley, Illinois. Phone number is 815-933-2251, extension 735. I'd love to hear from you and absolutely love to see you. And maybe we can make a deal on this and send you home with a new camper and a smile. Until next time, we'll see you.